You have questions and data, but your team is swamped, you're on the go, and you need answers. Zing is fast, cloud-based business intelligence powered by AI to help you do what you want to do from anywhere. Native apps on iOS and Android were built from the ground up to let you ask questions of your data from scratch. Quickly ask questions using natural language, powered by OpenAI. Or use Zing's intuitive visual interface to drag fields and aggregations for fast results. Location querying uses your phone's current location to show you results based on where you are. Colleagues see questions based on where they are, so results are always relevant. Advanced users have a powerful SQL type ahead for more specialized use cases. Create a personalized dashboard in just seconds, even from mobile, and Zing will automatically scale it based on the device you're using. Or better yet, have your data come to you with real-time alerts that notify you when data changes or hits a threshold you specify. Bring the whole team along with app mentions and the ability to share a question or dashboard with anyone from one person to your whole organization to even external partners or publicly if your account allows it. All of this can be embedded in your own applications on web or mobile in just minutes of work. Zing supports all popular cloud data warehouses like Snowflake and BigQuery, plus popular on-prem databases. Even your old friend, the CSV and Excel file are welcome. With Zing, you're always in the know from anywhere. Get started for free today by downloading Zing from the Apple App Store, the Google Play Store, or at zingdata.com.